Good morning, Tank Garage fam, and welcome back to day one of Monterey Car Week. Today is the actual first day that I'm here in California. We're here in Centerport, something like that, and we're getting some breakfast at Carl Jr., and we have a big issue. If you guys remember yesterday, we actually woke up in the morning to find some damage on the XC70. We then proceeded to go to Volvo of Salt Lake City during a pretty hectic drive to get there on time, and unfortunately they couldn't do anything because it was the weekend. So I am now in California and we're gonna stop at a Walmart to hopefully find some super glue and try to glue the parts back on for a temporary cheap fix. So I guess my Volvo will now be a tank that's been tanked, and we're on Tank Garage. Also, the XC70 is completely disgusting. If you guys remember, I took this car on a cross-continental road trip from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, all the way to California. It's been 3 days of driving under the rain, under the sun, under all types of disgusting things that are happening around the road, and the XC70 is disgusting. But first, we're gonna hit another food vlog. Carl's Jr. breakfast burrito. It's time to eat, boys. 530 calories. I don't know why I'm talking about calories. You guys probably don't care.
You are correct, sir.
Very, very simple breakfast burrito. You can see a little bit of the bacon popping out.
Nice.
Let's get a bite. Not that bad. Not the tastiest. I mean, it tastes like bacon bread.
Barbecue bacon burger.
But it hits the spot. It hits the spot. I'd give this one a 7.1. 7.1 out of 10. So let's finish the bag and food really quickly. We'll head to Walmart, buy some cleaning supplies, and then I have a full day by myself here before Evgeny and my friends meet us down inside the Rosa, which is about 10 minutes that way. Last night, I also slept in the shittiest motel I've ever seen in my life. Smelled like cigarettes inside. There was a couple having some intimate time in the room next to me at like 3 in the morning, and the bed was just like banging on my wall, which was like really annoying. I didn't get much sleep, but hey, it's all part of the experience. I would not remember these trips and these moments of my life if it wasn't for little things like that happen that are out of the ordinary. Just like the tire hitting my lip, that shitty hotel, and me having Carl's Jr. this morning. Let's see each other at Walmart. So, we are here at Walmart with the dirty XC70, and I'll show you guys what I bought to help myself clean the car, because I will be going into touchless car washes, but that I will do myself. So I'll clean the car myself, and I got the basic supplies needed to do so. Microfiber drying towels, bug sponge, the Gorilla Super Glue. I got some detailing brushes, some wheel cleaner, a microfiber wash towel. So that's about it, guys. That's what we got. I'll see if I could find do-it-yourself car wash. We'll hit it with the Willy.
Yeah, we do it, yeah, I go up. We influence, yeah, see me moving, yeah, I glow up. Every time I show up, I can flip my switch out. They act like they know us, but they know dog, I'm big dog. Asking if it's still a flex, say they better go ask Booyah. Never think I'm gon' check, better pull up like woo. Come to place and I'm the best, I ain't worried about none who y'all. 24, no rest, stand on business, I'm too tall. Thought you was a threat, I do real life, do no tip or tat. On the internet, we don't do that. See, I've been a threat, and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way, I'm cashing checks. I don't own no.
So, the XC70 is now all nice and clean, like you guys saw. And I think it's time to give you guys a little bit of some mic'd up first gear to second gear accelerations instead of a private parking lot. Tangarage fam, and welcome to California. We met up yesterday with a couple of my buddies from Vancouver. So we got Evgeny, hey Bo, and we've got Dan. 2 M3s, E36, and Evgeny's LS. Look at the views on views, guys. Having one of my cars on the West Coast is absolutely insane. Today, we're actually going to pick up my girlfriend from the airport, and then we're gonna head down to our beach house in Aptos. We are Monday, so the first official day of Monterey Car Week, so a bunch of events and a bunch of stuff are already happening. So we're gonna be able to attend them with the beautiful XC70 T6. Let's get back on the road.